What would you do? What would you do if you knew every day when you woke up, as soon as you opened your eyes, you put in order to the universe of whatever you may want, and it will always come to you no matter what? You do it every day. You would do it every freaking day. And sometimes it's the truth. We are so stuck in this 3D reality that sometimes we just need to see the proof. We need to see the proof. And I hate to say that because you don't need to, but some of us, it takes that. And after you know, you really see it, you will never, ever miss a day in your life. When I first started working out, I was so skinny. Oh my God, I was so skinny. Super skinny, tall, lanky. I'm 6'4". I was super skinny. And starting to work out sucked. I hated it so much because I did not see the results. When I became disciplined, you must discipline yourself for just the beginning part, and then it comes so much easier. I remember that day where I got out of the shower and I looked in the mirror and I was like, whoa, things are a little different. Huh? I guess I'll keep doing this. That's the same thing. And sometimes some of us just need that kick in the ass.